Today we are testing Kling, which is the sponsor of this video. It's an AI creative platform to generate videos, images, audio and so much more. In this video I will create commercial ads and short movie clips. We focus on two features that are especially interesting for creators and brands: multi-shot narratives and subject consistency boost. Let's go in. First you go on Kling.ai. Here we have an overview about the tool. As you already can see, you can create stunning videos here all in one without switching tools. Just hit create now. It's one of the leading AI video generation tools which are available. You have image generation, video generation, motion control and so much more. You have also some results here which are looking amazing. One of the biggest limitations of other AI video generation is that the most tools create only one isolated clip at a time. Multi-shot narratives changes that. Let's go on video generation. On the left you have your chat box. Make sure video 3.0 is selected. You have also a video 3.0 turbo for faster generations. You can add start or end frames. In our case we want a ad commercial about a luxury perfume with extreme macro shot. Then a woman wearing a black evening dress walks through a luxury hotel hallway. For the multi-shot feature, make sure multi-shot is selected. On the bottom you can choose from different settings here, like a 4K output, duration up to 15 seconds, a ratio and the number of outputs. For the best experience, also make sure the native audio is selected here. And now you just hit generate. While it's generating, we look at the manual custom multi-shot feature. Here you can insert each shot individually, customize the seconds of each shot to create a full multi-shot clip. So now we enter our prompts. We want a front-facing product shot of a blender. Let's make the first shot only 3 seconds. Second shot, a hand adds strawberry, banana slices and milk into the blender. Next shot, a close-up of the blender operating, and so on. Again, we have output 4K, which is amazing. And now we hit generate. One of the biggest upgrades in Kling 3.0 is the multi-shot narratives. Instead of generating a single clip, you can describe an entire commercial or cinematic sequence with multiple connected shots while keeping the same characters and products consistent throughout. Native 4K output delivers significantly sharper visuals, identity across scenes, and motion control 3.0 gives you much finer control over body language, facial expressions and camera movement. And here is the result. Let's look at it. Exactly what we wanted. An extreme macro shot at first, a black dressed woman in a hallway, all what we need. 4K resolution, amazing multi-shot storytelling here. Great. Here the portable blender. Amazing shots here. Custom multi-shot is working great. We had the strawberries with the hand, only 2 seconds for example. We have also character consistency, as you see. The man in different shots, consistent. Good job, Kling. For our further production, we first want to generate a starting frame. With the model image 3.0, we want a cinematic thriller opening frame inside a modern apartment at night. We want a female detective, so we have this red-haired woman as a reference image which will be included into the scene. Again, we have different options here, like 2K resolution, we want 60:9 ratio. Let's hit generate. Now back at the video generation, we upload our starting frame here, our scene with our red-haired woman. We enter the video prompt with a multi-shot. Let's make 2 outputs now. Hit generate. And the results are finished. Let's look at them. Hyper realistic, character consistency on point, exactly what we wanted. Let's look at the second generation also. same cinematic multi-shot scene on Kling. It works just perfectly. Here are some cinematic clips of a desert landscape with a buggy. The first example is a continuous take. Just amazing, high quality, no deformation, continuous subject, working great here. And here the same setup, just with a multi-shot scene. Let's look at it. As you can see, again, cinematic quality, no deformations, multi-shot scene, character consistency, subject consistency, it's all there. Kling just nailed it here. Let's look at some more examples here. Nice professional wingsuit here. Here a pit stop of a Formula 1. Multi-shot scenes, sound effects, everything is here. You can also do some 3D animations like this one here. Fitting music, sound effects, 3D animations, all is there, no deformation, working great here. Another example. Amazing. If you like Kling, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.